Exploring the concept of before the Big Bang delves into speculative areas of cosmology and theoretical physics. Here's a more detailed look at some leading theories and ideas. 1. Timelessness and the nature of time. General relativity. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, space and time are part of a single, four-dimensional construct called space-time. The Big Bang represents a singularity where our conventional understanding of time and space breaks down. Therefore, time as we know it started with the Big Bang, making the notion of before the Big Bang problematic within this framework. Time emergence. Some physicists propose that time might be an emergent property rather than a fundamental one. In this view, time could have arisen from a more fundamental, timeless state. 2. Quantum gravity theory. S-loop quantum cosmology. LQC. This theory suggests that the universe undergoes cycles of Big Bangs and Big Crunches. In LQC, the Big Bang is replaced by a Big Bounce, where a previous contracting universe reached a high-density state and then expanded into our current universe. This implies a cyclic model where each universe is preceded by another. Causal set theory. This approach to quantum gravity posits that spacetime is a discrete structure composed of fundamental units. The evolution of the universe can be described by causal sets, and the Big Bang could be one of many such transitions. 3. Multiverse theory. Eternal inflation. In the theory of eternal inflation, the inflationary phase of the early universe continues eternally in some regions of space, constantly creating pocket universes through local Big Bangs. A universe is one such pocket, with the pre-Big Bang state being an inflating multiverse. Bubble universes, similar to eternal inflation, this idea suggests that new universes' bubbles form within a larger multiverse. Each bubble undergoes its own Big Bang and develops independently. 4. String theory and higher dimension Securich model. This model arises from string theory and posits that our universe was created from the collision of two three-dimensional branes in a higher dimensional space. This collision caused the Big Bang, suggesting a pre-existing state in a higher dimensional space. Pre-Big Bang scenarios. String theory also suggests that prior to the Big Bang, the universe might have existed in a different phase, governed by different physical laws. This pre-Big Bang phase might involve higher dimensions and different forms of matter and energy. 5. Cosmic inflation. Inflation-y cosmology. The inflationary model of the universe describes a rapid expansion in the first fractions of a second after the Big Bang. Some versions of this theory suggest that inflation could be eternal, meaning that new regions of space are constantly undergoing inflation and Big Bangs. This could mean that our Big Bang was just one event in an eternally inflating cosmos. 6. Philosophical and speculative ideas. No boundary proposal, proposed by Stephen Hawking and James Hartle. This idea suggests that the universe has no boundary in time and space. Instead of a singular beginning, the universe could be finite but unbounded, analogous to the surface of a sphere. In this model, asking about before the Big Bang is like asking what is north of the North Pole. Cyclic models. Some cosmological models propose that the universe goes through infinite cycles of creation and destruction. These models often involve a Big Crunch followed by a Big Bang, suggesting a perpetual series of universes. Challenges and limitations. Empirical evidence. Currently, there is no direct empirical evidence for any of these theories. Observations of the cosmic microwave background radiation and large-scale structure of the universe provide insights into the early universe but do not reveal information about pre-Big Bang conditions. Mathematical complexity. Many of these theories are mathematically complex and require advanced frameworks like quantum field theory, general relativity, and higher-dimensional mathematics. Developing testable predictions from these theories is a significant challenge. Understanding what came before the Big Bang is one of the most profound questions in cosmology and touches on the limits of our knowledge about the universe's origin. Scientists continue to develop and test theories, hoping to find clues that could shed light on this enigmatic period.